Hey guys, welcome back to my...
With me back then, but now they wanna talk cause I'm doing well. Oh well, I'm making moolah and these niggas jealous, can't you tell? Like oh well, didn't believe in the kid, look now I'm shining. It's God's timing, I've been grinding.
If you're new here, you might as well subscribe. And if you're like, if you always watch my channel, then hello or whatever. So today, I have a video with me.
What?
Anyways, today I have a video with Karis, and we are going to be trying Caribbean snacks. So
I'm from Germany, so I've never had them before.
yeah, she's from Germany, but she can't speak German. Because that makes so much sense, right? So basically, alright. Actually, let's try this one first. Ooh, we're trying the yellow Bigfoot.
I already think everything is nice. So I eat anything.
Wait! Open it!
And
What's going on? Hold on, we're just playing around. Alright, take one. I'm joking. Wait, let's go.
Yeah.
You like it?
No, not really.
But it's nice. I used to like it when I was a little girl. What? When I was like younger. Yeah. I think I like the spicy one better.
Probably, yeah. Your flavour. The two eating food.
Here you go.
We'll run this off tomorrow. Bro, they taste the same.
No, this has a spice to it.
Barely.
This one's nicer. I'm gonna eat this one.
What?
Ooh! Ooh!
Back for the show. Oh, damn.
Ooh! Alright, let's try this. Peanut butter.
I can't read. It's peanut. So you'll get half an M&M.
It's peanut butter and an M&M's, as she said. I don't really like peanut butter like that. It kind of tastes like the peanut one, but just like... I thought I was the greedy one. And ooh! Alright, cool. Try this one. Oh, this one smells cheesy. Put that back, Karis Monster.
No.
That has 240 calories.
No, sorry.
Cheese puffs. You're wasting time, come on. Can you not wait?
First I'm wasting time and then I want to wait.
This one's nice.
Tastes like cheese.
I love cheese. But I don't really like... I used to love cheesy crisps, but now I don't really like it that much.
What?
What is what?
It's gonna taste like any other party chip.
Huh?
It's gonna taste like any other party chip.
Really? Well, it's from Jamaica, so...
A little.
No.
Okay, don't eat me.
Ooh!
What's the... Wait, what is this? Oh. Now, don't these taste like the ones that you can get from Brixton?
I've actually never tried these before. Have you ever tried these?
Oh, I forgot my lettuce chocolate. No, I haven't.
Oh yeah. I'll just try this.
No, I've already eaten the peanuts.
Why would you do that?
Okay, open them.
Do you have your pills?
Yeah, I took them this morning.
She likes to kill herself on chocolate. These smell nice. Put your one.
It tastes like a biscuit to me, a cookie. It tastes nice though.
We're going to split my flour.
Okay.
Oh yeah! Let's try this.
No.
I'm trying it.
You try it.
I will. It's basically a Ritzy. Tastes, it smells really cheesy.
It's got cheese in it and it tastes cheese. I mean, it smells cheesy, yeah? You don't like it?
Too much cheese for me. It's not even cheesy like that.
I'm not talking to you right now.
Anyways, guys, I'm gonna try.
Can you not? Are you blind? Huh? Are you blind?
Flip the camera then.
Oh, yeah.
Idiot.
I was showing your face to the whole of YouTube. Okay, bye. I don't actually want to speak to you.
Come, let's try this then.
Those, I don't like that flavour. With anything, to be honest.
It smells nice. It tastes like the green Pringles. Oh. Someone text me.
Is this supposed to be hot?
Yeah, barbecue.
Oh.
I really like it.
Yeah, me neither.
These aren't really.
You could act so hungry.
What?
So, La-princia. You will not just eat that.
No. Check on the bread.
It's just smaller.
What?
It's cookies,
No,
but smaller.
we ate the Chips Ahoy. This is a different brand. This is National. These are the people that make the spice one. You better know. Oh, what's happening?
You probably won't.
I think too bad. It's open now. Oh, I found a whole cookie. You can have it. You're not having it anymore.
Thank you. Your mum.
One of these.
I don't know.
I love that what Yummy is doing. I'll just try the caramel M&M by myself. Oh, these are big. Ooh.
Found it.
I ain't even meant to eat chocolate.
Thank you for watching. I think. Is it done?
That was it for this video.
Thank you.
Make sure to like, comment and subscribe and share the video. You know, screenshot and repost on your social medias. And
I want to learn how to sign. And I want to learn Spanish.
Kira does. Do you see
Amazing.
Nakira? She's your friend. Take example of her.
I do work.